first thing I want you to realize is that 20 over 10 is a website platform with content library provided as well. And we offer one of the most flexible services out there. So we have our technology platform that's proprietary. We built it. It's not on WordPress or any other system. You can go and create a website on your own with no setup cost at all, just by choosing our DIY or do-it-yourself option. And then in that case, our monthly subscription fee would be the only thing that applies to you. So that's a great way that you can use our platform. You can check it out. We have a 14-day free trial. Try your hand and see if you can build a site on your own. It would be similar to using like a Squarespace, a Wix, or a Weebly, except that our platform is specific to the financial services industry, and we handle all of the archiving and compliance that you need, as well as offer a content library. So do it yourself is the first option. The second option, if you have a marketing firm or a consultant that you work with and they've been handling your website, but you want a more up-to-date platform that your team can edit and make updates to, you want the compliance, archiving, and the content library, then you can have that management person or consultant build the website via the DIY option. The third option is to work with our team of in-house design, marketing, copywriting, logo branding experts. So we have a full creative team here. We can help you with everything from creating a logo, writing all the copy for your site, designing the site, or you can just pick and choose. Maybe you already have a logo and you have some great copy you want to use, but you just need us to design it. So we have a range of packages and services depending on where you fall. Now, once you have your website created, doesn't matter which of those ways that it gets set up. Once it's set up, your website will live on our content management system. So 20 over 10, again, we have our own content management system. Everything that you do on the content management system is archived for compliance purposes. We have both one-click compliance submissions to over 50 broker-dealers, and we also have the email process where you can send things off if your broker-dealer doesn't use our one-click compliance, or if you're an independent RIA, you have a separate process you follow in our platform as well. So we have you covered no matter which way you operate. And for ongoing help and support, we offer a monthly educational webinar every single month to keep you going. We also have built-in SEO tools, and then we also offer marketing consultations and help internally from our team. So to help you keep your site ranking high, driving traffic, answering other questions that you have. Our newest tool, Lead Pilot, is actually completely separate from our 20 over 10 website platform in that it is website agnostic. You do not need to be a 20 over 10 website user to use it, and actually you don't need to have a website at all to use it. It's a really great tool for everything from a sole proprietor who's trying to manage marketing their business, servicing their clients, and they just don't have time and they want to put a lot of things on automation, all the way to really large enterprise clients that could have hundreds of advisors underneath them, and they have a firm brand, but they also want the individual advisors in their firm to be able to post to their social media channels, have their own voice, and everything comes back to different branded landing pages that reinforce the individual advisor and or the firm. So there's a lot of flexibility in how you use our services. With Lead Pilot, it's a separate subscription fee, but you do get a 30% discount if you use both 20 over 10 websites and Lead Pilot. So effectively, it makes your website basically free for the monthly subscription model if you are also using Lead Pilot. If you have any other questions at all, please feel free to reach out to us at hello@20over10.com, and we'd be happy to answer them. But also browse our YouTube channel, take a look at all the other videos that we have that will give you a marketing tip. We post those every single Monday to help you grow your business. I'm Samantha Russell from 20 over 10, and I hope we get to do business with you soon.